Hi, Tony Pellegrino here with a quick overview of a steering box brace. This is a great upgrade for any CJ, YJ, TJ, or LJ. The model changes slightly for each one. This one has a single hole for a TJ. It goes up on the inside of the frame and comes over to support the bottom of the steering box. I've got one out here just to show you. You don't need to pull the box out. It clamps around the bottom, and then the brace ties into that, and then it goes through the frame through an existing hole. Sometimes the frame has two holes. In a newer TJ and LJ, it has one hole. Very important that you don't over tighten this clamp on the casting, because there's a bearing right underneath here, and you don't want to damage that. This really just needs a little bit of support to keep the box from moving. It'll keep the bolts from getting damaged or the weld bungs in the frame from breaking loose. It only requires basic hand tools, super easy to put in, and a must the moment you go to bigger tires.